Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill Form 1040. First, determine your correct filing status, such as single or married filing jointly. Next, collect all your income statements, including Form W-2 from employers and various Form 1099s for other income sources. Don't forget to gather information for any dependents you plan to claim, as this impacts your deductions and credits. Having these documents ready will streamline the entire process. Once you have your documents, accurately report all taxable income on Form 1040, including wages, interest, and dividends. Then, calculate your adjusted gross income, or AGI, by subtracting certain deductions like student loan interest or IRA contributions. This AGI figure is crucial as it determines eligibility for many credits and deductions. Ensure all entries are correct to avoid errors later on. After calculating your AGI, identify any tax credits you qualify for, such as the child tax credit or education credits, which directly reduce your tax liability. Also, remember to include any federal income tax withheld from your paychecks or estimated tax payments you made throughout the year. Finally, compare your total tax with your payments and credits to determine if you owe more tax or are due a refund. Before submitting, meticulously review every section of your Form 1040 for accuracy. Check all calculations and ensure all necessary forms and schedules are attached. Filing electronically is often the fastest and most secure method, and it typically results in quicker refunds. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Once everything is verified, sign and submit your return.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.